This woman decided to test if her dog would save her by pretending to drown in the pool. But watch what this loyal dog does when he thinks his owner is in real danger. When this man's rope swing goes wrong and he plunges into the water, it looks like he might be in serious trouble. But watch how his loyal black dog immediately springs into action to rescue him. This grandfather has no idea that the car behind him is filled with armed robbers waiting to strike. When two criminals corner him at his own gate, it seems hopeless. But listen to that barking. His dog knows danger is near. And watch what happens when someone opens the gate. This young man is furious when a stray dog steals his pizza right out of his hands. He's ready to teach that thief a lesson. But when he follows the dog to get revenge, watch what he discovers that completely changes everything.
No one expected this to happen when this kid was out playing with his dog. He was running around and having fun with his dog when something was let loose in the background. The boy didn't notice, but a hostile dog was speeding right towards him with anger in his eyes. But then his heroic German shepherd came to the rescue. Just as the dog was about to reach the helpless little boy, his dog jumped right in front of him and began chasing the ferocious dog away, letting the boy return to his mother unharmed.
This 1-year-old boy is dangerously climbing the balcony railings, completely unaware of the deadly fall below. But watch how this incredible cat becomes his unlikely guardian angel. When a heartless thief targets a vulnerable blind woman and snatches her bag, it seems like the perfect crime with no witnesses. But this street dog saw everything, and watch what this four-legged hero does to deliver justice.
Noemi Moreno still shaken up after being attacked by masked assailants in the early afternoon of Friday, June 6.
I'm terrified. I'm always looking around now and making sure that nobody's following me, and I'm kind of leery, going places by myself now.
Moreno was taking care of some business at the bank here in Leon Springs. After cashing the checks, she went to pick up her kids at her mother-in-law's house nearby.
When I arrived, I was in my car and I was debating, should I bring my purse or not?
Moreno got out of the car with her money-filled purse, and right behind her, a red SUV pulled up after passing by just moments before.
And these two guys, young guys, all dressed in black with the black ski mask, they started pulling my purse. And they pulled me so hard that I fell on the ground.
Amid all the screaming, Rambo the dog revved into action, rushing toward the commotion as Moreno held onto that purse for dear life.
They saw the dog and they jumped in the vehicle and took off. And one of them lost a shoe.
Moreno believes the suspects followed her from the bank, and if it weren't for Rambo, Moreno fears what may have happened beyond just losing her purse.
Rambo, he's the pit bull. He saved me. Thank God for him.
So far, no word from the Bexar County Sheriff's Office on any suspect information other than what you see on surveillance. As for Moreno, she knows what she wants.
I want them to get arrested. I want them, because I'm afraid that they're going to do that to somebody else.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5.
This woman walking down the street has no idea she's about to become a victim when a man in yellow approaches with bad intentions. But a dog sitting nearby is watching everything unfold. And what happens next will restore your faith in unexpected heroes. Which hero amazed you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible animal stories that will restore your faith in our four-legged friends.